K&N cotton air filters are ready for cleaning when dirt meets or exceeds the wire mesh of the filter. A quick visual inspection of the filter will confirm if it is ready to be serviced. K&N air filter cleaner and oil are available at knfilters.com or your local K&N dealer. Begin by liberally spraying K&N air filter cleaner onto both sides of the filter and allow it to soak for 10 minutes to loosen the dirt. Do not allow cleaner to dry on the air filter. Next, rinse off air filter with cool, low-pressure water applied to the clean side out in order to flush the dirt out of the filter. Continue to rinse the filter until all traces of cleaner are gone. It may be necessary to repeat these steps. After rinsing, gently shake off excess water and allow filter to dry naturally. Do not apply oil until the filter is completely dry. If using K&N squeeze bottle oil, apply oil evenly along the crown of each pleat. If using K&N aerosol air filter oil, spray it evenly along the crown of each pleat, holding the can's nozzle approximately 3 inches away. Allow the oil to wick for approximately 20 minutes, then touch up any light areas on either side of the filter until there is a uniform red color on all areas. Lastly, allow oil to wick into the filter before installing. For information on where to buy K&N products, go to knfilters.com.